Hi everyone! Today we're going to read Pedro's Cuff. It's a Peppa Pig book from her amazing 50-book collection. Subscribe to my channel now, where you can follow Peppa on her amazing adventures with her friends and family. Let's begin! Pedro's Cuff. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car, and drives straight to playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be kitchen, so we'll give you some medicine. Bleh, cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog starts to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. It tastes of carpet-flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asks Peppa. I'm never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it's home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear come to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the group-ups are ill, she says. Now it's the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like a custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you're ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never... Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasps Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some food. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Blah, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt-flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. The end. Hope you liked that. That was Pedro's Cuff. It's a Peppa Pig book from the Peppa Pig collection of 50 incredible books. Subscribe to my channel now, follow me, and you'll be able to see so many other stories from Peppa and her friends. So subscribe now. Bye bye!